Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Mahavir Vista with the code name Vishtara by Damji Shamji Shah Group located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the actual location, the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing what points like project overview, location connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housing is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housing. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.9 acres that will have one tower. As you can see in the model, it will have ground plus 2 commercial plus 3 level of podiums plus 24 residential floors and again 25th floor for amenities, having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and Jodi residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Devdaya Nagar, Thane, from where Thane railway station is at a distance of 15 minutes, Eastern Express Highway is at a distance of 5 minutes, upcoming metro station is at a distance of 5 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 35 plus amenities with gym, clubhouse, garden, kids play area, indoor games, multi-purpose turf, banquet hall and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 569 to 585 square feet, 2.5 BHK in the carpet area of 768 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 917 to 978 square feet. Also, for pricing brochure and other details, you link mentioned in the description below. And now, talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Mahavir Vista by Damji Shamji Shah Group located in Thane.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housing.